after I fixed the grapevine that we already had, I was at the store and I saw a Catawba grapevine and I just couldn't resist buying it, so I went ahead and bought it. And well, I don't have room on the trellis that I have now, so I decided it was about time to add another row. So about a day ago I went online and ordered 2 more. I ordered a Somerset and a Marquis. So now I'll have a Somerset, Marquis, and Catawba grapes to plant, and so I decided to take the time today, go ahead and run myself the tiller and put a line down, put a row in the grass beside my other one. Here you can see the old and the new. Here's the old one that I just rewired, and beside it I went ahead and tilled another row, and from center to center it'll be 6 foot. That'll leave approximately 4 foot in between the rows. That's plenty for me to get through with the mower. You can see I have plenty of space here, and I have even less space over between the fence and the row, and I can still fit through no problem. So alright, so I've got the post up now. I'm gonna quit for now. It's starting to rain a little bit, so we'll just go ahead and leave this for now and get the wires up later. It didn't really take all that long. It took maybe a half hour to dig the 2 holes and place them. I made it 33 feet long. We're gonna have 4 plants on this one stretch. It's about 6 feet to the top. We're only going to need to go up to about 5.5 feet for the top wire. I think I'm going to make this one just a top wire cordon. I don't know, I might make it 2, have a bottom row and then a top row. This here's a cordon grape. While we're at it, might as well look at the others, see how they're doing. I don't know what that is. Where'd it go? There. Some kind of moth or something. I sprayed it with 7, and it's about to get an Immunox spray. I don't really see too many bugs on it. There's another one. I don't know what that is. Usually I have the grape flea beetle, but this year I haven't seen him at all. This is a Niagara. Lots of clusters. I'll probably have to thin the clusters. But it's doing well this year. So I'm just going to let these ones go. This here's another cordon grape. Not a lot of clusters. More vegetative growth than anything. I went ahead and added this middle line to try and catch them because one broke the other day. So I just threw this middle line up real quick. They're healthy. And I forgot I had a Niagara down here that I added a rabbit ate it last year. So I decided to let it come up. Well, I'll come back with an update when I get the wires run for this.